Hello YouTube, haven't done a video in a while. Got some new stuff for my work, Pizza Man EDC. Show you a couple things, adding more stuff. About to switch to a off day EDC and just a work EDC. Alright, let's see what we got here. I got the Olight S15 batten with the extension tube. Had to make a lanyard for it. Broke mine yesterday. That come with the light. Got a new phone. Samsung Rugby 2. Hate this phone. Hated the other one. Some slip and snip scissors. Believe it or not, I actually use these at work every day. I do sterilize them. They come in real handy. Got my very first Spyderco. Never owned a Spyderco. Always owned a Benchmade Griptilian. Serrated edge. I've got a plain edge model with a satin finish. I love this knife. Until I got this one. First time ever owning a Spyderco. This is the Manix 2 with the S30V steel. Made in Golden, Colorado, USA Earth. Made the lanyard for it with the glow in the dark skull. I guess they call it a mummy or whatever. I like the Axis style lock. I actually don't really like the motion of that, but I oiled it up, took it apart, oiled it up. It's a lot smoother. Love this knife. Awesome knife. Still carry the Fisher Space Pen. Great little pen. Had this for a while. I've got the Fisher Bullet Space Pen, but I like this one better. Cap-O-Matic. Still got the Charlie Changer. Missing a few coins there. I might get another one next year, just for the hell of it. Love this little guy. Use it every single day. I've used it so much that coins are falling out of it from the spring usage. Still carry the HWC. This is the ID holder. I do have a wallet, but I mainly use this because I use the money clip. I'm about to switch, make this my permanent work wallet, and I'm getting a new wallet. Okay, keychain. Got the Flexo Lock Lucky Line key rings. Haven't failed on me. They've come open a few times, no problem. Got the, I don't even know if you can see that. I've had this for a while. It's a Domino's keychain. Some keys. That's my house key, car key. Got the Night Eyes S-Beater. Had that for a few years. Love it. Made me, I guess, a lanyard. Got the pill fob. Extra set of car keys. Delivering pizzas for a living. You need spare car keys no matter what. This is my Zac Tool handcuff key. I actually have a padlock at work that uses a handcuff key. It's called Cuff Lock. Got it on eBay. Thought it was cool. Gave me an excuse to buy a handcuff key. Still using the 511 medic rig. Let's see that right there, 511 Medic Rig. They don't make this no more. There's still a few other things in here. Ink pen for the customer, and then my, let's see if I can pull that out. It's called the Penetrator by GG&G. Stabbing tool. And, I mean, that's pretty much everything. That pouch stays in my cargo pocket with all this stuff in it, except for the phone. Wear the 511 tack light pants. Great pants. Great pouch. Second one I've owned. Wore the other one out. Tried to save this one. I am going to come up with an everyday carry that I just carry when I'm not working or I don't use this, so I can keep all this and not have to pull anything out. Same with the keys. I'm going to set up a different key setup for me. Have a keychain with just a couple keys on it, and no need for a whole lot of hoo-ha and bullshit, because I don't need all these keys when I'm not working. I just need one keychain, and I normally just take this off and use it. And then, like I said before, this is for my lockbox at work, and this is spare car keys, and that's my keyless entry. And I don't really need all this. And I don't, I have minimal keys right here because I keep keys in my car. So I keep spare house keys to in-laws' house, mother's house, things of that nature. Love this knife. Perfect little knife. First Spyderco. Wish it was a flat round blade, but I love this. This is awesome. I love the Axis ball bearing style lock. This is a ball bearing lock, not an Axis lock, so if you're going to correct me, I've already did it in the video, so please don't. Love it. I mean, it's just an awesome knife. First Spyderco I've ever owned. They don't sell them around where I live. I ordered it from Knife HQ. I mean, seriously, this is an awesome knife. I love the G10 scales. First knife I ever owned with G10 scales. Got the liners. Awesome chimping everywhere on the back of the knife. Got what they call the Spidey hole. Same as the Benchmade. I know Benchmade knocked it off from Spyderco. Wah wah. It's a good design. I like it. I don't like thumb studs. Love this knife. Don't like liner locks. Thought about the Paramilitary 2. Really thought about it until I saw this and I saw the price. Paramilitary 2 over $100. This thing under $100. I'll take it any day. Spyderco Manix 2 ball bearing lock. Love it. Love using it. The S30B steel. Awesome. The Benchmade is actually, I think there it is, yeah, 154 cm. I don't know. Can't see it. Okay. Well, the Benchmade is 154 cm. And Spyderco started making the Manix 2 on 154 cm. And I believe they changed it because people started breaking the tips off. This guy right here, haven't had no problems out of it. I'm not a hard use guy. I don't care. I just carry a knife because I use one just for the hell of it. This guy is sharp as shit. Love this freaking knife. First Spyderco, and it will not be my last. I freaking love this knife. I can't put it down. I can't I mean, Jesus, Mother of God. It's a little heavier than